Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you an app named Equalizer APO. Applies system-wide audio equalizer across all of Windows. So how you can download this app? Very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, and then here you have to search for Equalizer APO download. And then you can simply come over into SourceForge, click on that, click on download, and then you're going to get the download option. Click on download, and as you can see right now the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission, and you have to just close everything. And now here you have to click on next for the setup wizard. Click I agree, next, install, and for complete installation you can simply, and here is your this app over here is rightly opened. Click yes for the permission, and here you have to just selected your headphones. Like I'm going to select the headphones, but right now I'm not going to go there, but here is your app is rightly installed. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.